Surviving even one shipwreck is unimaginable. But what if you survived 3? Today's story is about a remarkable woman who defied all odds, surviving 3 different shipwrecks, including the most infamous disaster of them all, the Titanic. This incredible tale of survival will leave you speechless. Violet Jessop was born in 1887 in Argentina to Irish parents. Little did she know her life would be filled with extraordinary events. Violet worked as a stewardess and nurse aboard some of the largest ships of the early 20th century, including the RMS Titanic, RMS Britannic, and RMS Olympic. 2. Surviving the Titanic. In April 1912, Violet was aboard the RMS Titanic on its ill-fated maiden voyage. When the ship struck an iceberg and began to sink, Violet was one of the many who scrambled to escape. She managed to board a lifeboat and survived the Titanic disaster, though more than 1,500 people perished that night. Violet's survival was already extraordinary, but that wasn't the end of her incredible story. 3. The Britannic shipwreck. Just a few years later, Violet was aboard the RMS Britannic, a sister ship to the Titanic during World War I. In November 1916, the Britannic struck a mine and began sinking in the Aegean Sea. Once again, Violet found herself in a life-or-death situation. This time she was injured in the chaos, but she survived and was rescued from the sea. Remarkably, the Britannic disaster claimed far fewer lives than the Titanic, thanks to the improvements made after Titanic's sinking. 4. Surviving the Olympic. It doesn't end there. Violet also survived a close call aboard the RMS Olympic, another of the Titanic's sister ships. In 1911, the Olympic collided with a warship, but Violet was unharmed in this incident. Violet Jessop's life became a symbol of incredible resilience. Despite facing terrifying disasters, she never let fear control her life. After her retirement from sea travel, she lived a quiet life until her death in 1971 at the age of 83. Violet Jessop's story is nothing short of miraculous. Surviving 3 shipwrecks, including the sinking of the Titanic, is a feat that few could even imagine, let alone experience. She became a symbol of bravery and survival, defying the odds time and time again. What do you think about Violet's extraordinary story? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbelievable stories.